Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic tool that we discovered online, and we've included the link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Let's talk about the Magnelex Magnexpert Magnetic Wristband for tools. For those of you who may not be familiar, the Magnexpert is a specially designed wristband that features powerful magnets to hold your screws, nails, drill bits, and other small tools securely right at your wrist. Imagine working on a project without the hassle of rummaging through your toolbox or losing those tiny but essential components. With this wristband, you can keep everything you need within arm's reach. Now, let's discuss some of the standout features of this product. First and foremost, it boasts 15 strong magnets embedded throughout the wristband. This means you can hold multiple items at once, whether you're working on a DIY project at home, fixing something around the house, or tackling a professional job. The magnets are strategically placed to ensure maximum coverage, so you won't have to worry about losing your small parts or tools while you work. The design of the Magnexpert is both professional and comfortable. Crafted from durable ballistic nylon, it's built to withstand the rigors of any task. Yet, it remains lightweight and breathable, meaning you can wear it for extended periods without discomfort. This combination of durability and comfort makes it an essential accessory for any handyman's toolkit. One of the best things about the Magnexpert wristband is its adjustability. The hook and loop strap allows it to fit any wrist size comfortably, making it a versatile tool for everyone, whether you're a man or woman, a DIY enthusiast, or a professional tradesperson. No more struggling with tools that don't fit. This wristband can be customized to suit you perfectly. Now, who is this wristband suitable for? The answer is simple: anyone who loves to work with their hands. Whether you're a dedicated DIYer, an avid handyman, or someone who occasionally takes on home improvement projects, this wristband is a game changer. It also makes an ideal gift for various occasions. Whether it's Christmas, Father's Day, or a birthday, the Magnexpert is a thoughtful stocking stuffer that your dad, boyfriend, or even a friend will appreciate. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Picture yourself working on a home improvement project, fixing a shelf or assembling furniture. With the Magnexpert wristband, you can easily grab screws and drill bits without stopping to dig through your toolkit. You can also use it while sewing or tailoring, keeping pins and small fabric clips handy. Even if you're not working on something major, it's perfect for small tasks around the house, like hanging pictures or setting up decorations. In summary, the Magnelex Magnexpert Magnetic Wristband is a practical, innovative tool designed to enhance your productivity whether you're engaging in DIY projects or professional work. Its powerful magnets, comfortable design, and adjustable fit make it a must-have for anyone who frequently uses small tools.